Good morning, friends. Course name OME 553 Industrial Safety Engineering, third year, fifth semester. A case study on improving the safety standard in chemical industry using mobile application development. The next one. About the case study, the course name OME 553 Industrial Safety Engineering, company name, address LG Polymer Visakhapattinam, thrust area robotics automation, vertical area smart city. Before going to case study, I have two process. One is controlling, another one controlling process. So controlling means is ensuring that activity is an organization or perform as per the plan. Suppose you can uh, start the process in chemical plant whether the plan is executed or not. You can identify that one. That is controlling of leakages in chemical plant in the sector. So if not plan is not if the plan not executed, so some of the time the gas leakages occur in the workplaces. So at that time you can to meet accident and injuries and death can be increases. This is a happen in your process in chemical plants. So that we can first one, what is controlling. The controlling means ensuring that activity is an organization or performed as per the plan. Definition of controlling. Managing controlling implies the measurement of accomplishment against the standard is and correction of deviation to assure attain of objective according to the plan. So most probably you can follow some standard, whether the rules and regulation can be followed, whether it is right or not. You can follow in the chemical plant. If not follow, you can ask to manager and please sir implement this type of rules and regulation in chemical plant. After that you can start your process. If not follow the rules and regulation, meet the accident at the workplaces in chemical plant. So this is a controlling of your case study. This is process controlling. So first one is from PDA plant, aerator, bioreactor, circulation pumps, the bioreactors and aerated purified water discharges and biogases. So LDS measurement, flares and safety valve. This is a biogas compressor. So first one from BDD plant, after push to here, the water level can increase that biogases. The biogases after use and purified water can created at the area. The purified, the valves can open, you can send to your aerator and the aerator discharge purified water. At the time you can create some biogases relieved from bioreactor. The bioreactor, the valves using a measurement, after that you can valves are closed, there is no problem. The valves are damaged or gases are leaked. Damage means after the gases are leaked means sometimes you can injury with your employee and safety from your chemical plant. If gases are released and absorb your air sector and the human beings are inhale, the create some nasusa or vomiting sensing in the nearby human beings and village peoples and your animal, including animals. So before releasing your gases, before once check your safety valve in the area. If not there is no damages, there is no problem. If the damages are available, first release from any other way your gases and safety valve. Once check your safety valve, after release your gases. If the safety valve is damages, you can uh, rectify. After that you can relieve the gases. Before relieve the gases have some problem at the time of process of controlling. Going to next one. This is a safety. The safety is the state of being safe, the condition of being protect from the harm or other desirable outcome. The safety can be also refer the control recognition and hazard in the order to achieve acceptable of level of risk. So before relieve from gas, once check your safety valve. After relieve from your gases. If not checking, some created your injuries and death in your chemical plant in the sector. This is a work safety in the chemical plants. This is my empathy part of my case study. So my case study is based on this is a pressure valves and pressure cages. Here pressure valve is available, so avoid injuries and death, and due to improper handling equipment, and all boilers and other pressure vessels must be keep in the good or proper conditions. This is the empathy part in the my area. This is my problem statement. It is believed a computer scratch in the factory cooling system allowed the temperature in storage tank exceed safety level, the causing syringe to vaporized due to breathing difficult and burning sensation in the eye. Many had been found laying on the ground unconscious due to the effect of the gases. So before, once this this is a pressure cages and valve, and before once check your valves after releasing gas. If not checking process means the syringe the gases are vaporized and due to breathing difficult and burning sensation in the eye, based on your human beings and nearby village peoples and your animal, including your animals. So many had been found laying on ground unconscious state due to the effect of the gases. So before once verified, after relieve the gases. If suppose sometime the temperature can increase, the safety wall levels you can identify. So sometimes if temperature is very low, you can identify what is the safety level. These two conditions are implemented in the my statement. So once increase, what are the safety level. Suppose you decrease, what are the safety levels are available in the area. This is a problem statement in my case study. This is my ideate part. The ideate part, IoT principles using monitor and industry safety measures using mobile app, and using sensors in nearby boilers and pressures vessels, and monitor and control in the computer system, using alarm if any emergency alert from people who live in the city and villages. Suppose I'm not sorry, we have attached sensor nearby here. This is a safety wall. So by boilers container sensing the leakages sent through mobile application, alert from the employee and fire station. So this is my ideate part. Once I can use the IoT principle, I can implement it nearby sensors pasted or attached here this place. Whenever the gas leaks vaporized the air, so immediately sensing my sensor immediate alert from who live in the city and village people are including animals. So the precaution of the uh, gas leakage in these chemical plants. This is my ideate part. This is my solution. The IoT principle will be in industry, easily monitored through mobile app and rectify above problem. To implement the sensors in nearby boilers and pressure vessels and monitor and control in computer system. The implement alarm if any emergency alert from the people who live in the city. Once my solution, one is sensor you can attach nearby safety wall and sensing leakage of gas uh, before vaporized in air, and after that alarm. If a gas leakages means you can start alarm, automatically start your alarm and alert from your people who live in the city or village peoples. This is a solution, my part of my case study. Methodology. Step 1, database collection of all type of pressure vessels, and step 2, to create the admin and identity number of pressure vessels. Each pressure vessels to allocate identity number and identity mark in the pressure cages. So this is the important of pressure vessels. This is the important of in the chemical plant. Each pressure vessels day to day updated details of leakages from which type of vessels, information sent through mobile application for the employee and fire station. After, the employees must be verified and check each process vessels updated and monitored sent through mobile application. So I'm a manager or an employee first I identify type of vessels and give a number, and after that monitor and day to day which one is which vessels can leak from my gases in the chemical plant. Easily identify through the number, identify, call the person and rectify that places. This is my methodology to implement it in my chemical plants, in my chemical plants. This is my methodology, the database collection of all type of pressure vessels in the area. After that, login creation, each pressure vessels to allocate identity number, and after employee must verify and check the each pressure vessels updated and monitor and sent through mobile application, and detail of leakages from which type of vessels sent through mobile application for the employee and fire station. So first I collect the database. After that, each pressure vessels I create the identity number based on that one. After each pressure vessel to allocate identity numbers, and after the detail of leakages from which type of vessels from the chemical plant, and I the my gases leakage my gas leakage from which type of vessels, and sensing my sensor, and through identified my sensor and sent through mobile application for employee alerted alert from employee as well as my fire station. And after employee must verify and check the each pressure vessels and updated and monitor and sent through my mobile application. This is a methodology of my case study in chemical plants, safety for my chemical plants. This is my benefits. Investing in mission safety automation is a cost-effective decision for business leaders who want to manage risk and improve the employee morale, and reduce the mean time to repair and improve the general safety and high safety standard in the sector. This is my references, and thank you.